In this video, I'll share how this person makes six figures a day. Oh my God. Six figures, $100,000 a day. How she does it, what she does exactly step by step, and how you can do it too. Now, we are not doing that yet, but we are doing similar thing and getting similar results. And I will show you how you can do it too. I will also show you a company that earns 25 to 50 million dollars a year and how they do it too. And in fact, you're going to get all the softwares you need for this, and it's completely beginner friendly and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency. Sounds exciting? It is, and I will show you step by step. Now, how do we do that? We basically make videos just like this, but for my other channels, I don't speak in the camera. I use my software Epic. Link is in the description, and Epic is free for you. So go grab Epic. What Epic does is basically allows us to make videos, any size of videos, long videos, short videos, without speaking, without being in front of the camera, and without writing script. Epic makes videos using images, other people's videos, text, and links. And Epic turns text or scripts into natural sounding voiceover. You might be asking, Mosh, where is the text coming from? Because text is something I hate. I don't type. I hate writing. I don't have time for typing or writing script or article. These are no for me, Mosh. Don't worry about it, because Epic has built-in artificial intelligence that writes the scripts for us and turns that script into natural voiceover, and the videos are made just like that using 3 minutes of our time. You can get Epic too from the link in the description. It's free for my YouTube viewers. Now let us begin. But before we go there, hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. But before we move forward, I want to request something to you. We built this channel to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the right way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. All we need from you is to hit a like button and share this video with your friends and family. This way, you bid your contribution to help 100 million people. How cool is that? And your friends and family will love you for sharing awesome content with them. So go ahead, hit the like button and share this video with everyone. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will consider you as the most important viewer and will let you know when we will upload our next money-making video. Let's go. This amazing lady has a TikTok channel, and basically she has more. She has Instagram and other channels. So what does she do? She makes interesting, less than 1 minute long videos that you can do it, and we do it using Epic. And then she leaves a link in her bio, and people find her content useful. They click in the link, and in this link, she basically stacked up all her different links, social profile links, and her webinar link. And he sells through webinars. Okay, now you don't need that. I'm gonna show you how we make money. Just like her, we do some research. So let's take Excel for an example, because this Excel, Microsoft Excel, is her niche. She makes all her contents to solve Excel problems. Now, where does she get all these problems? How does she know that people are looking for solution to Excel problems? Little research. Use softwares like Uber Suggest and just use your keyword from the keyword ideas section. So I searched with Excel, and look at this. There are 1.4 million related keywords and 456 direct keywords that people search about Excel. Now go little down below and you will see what people ask for. People are looking for problems about Excel if statement, for Excel formula, Excel log cells, Excel definition, Excel index match, Excel if function, Excel conditional formatting. And do you see these numbers? These numbers are money. These are the numbers of searches per month for each of these keywords. So if you make a video about Excel Gantt chart or Excel subtraction formula, then your content will be in front of 18,000 people and 18,000 people. So total 36,000 people. Now let me show you the power of people. When you create content like 1 minute videos for TikTok and YouTube Shorts or even Instagram Reels, you put your link in your bio. This works for TikTok and Instagram Reels. But for YouTube videos and YouTube Shorts, you should put your link in the description and in the first comment, just like we do. Epic link is in the description. You can grab it for free. And Epic will help you make these videos. Without dancing, by the way. If you want to dance, you can, but you don't have to. Epic will help you anyway. Now, this is one of the quick stats of one of my affiliate account, and you see $939. We always look at the numbers of money, but we don't see the main number. The main number is not 939. The main number is here. This is the most valuable number. So 1100 or 1152 people saw my content and they clicked on my links and they purchased from me, and that's how I made, in this case, $939. In different accounts we have different numbers, for different campaigns we have different numbers, but that's what it is. You get clicks on your links and make money. I told you about a $25 million to $50 million company that's called TheVerge.com. What is TheVerge.com? It's a blog. Mosh, I don't have time for blogging. I want to make money right now. I want to be a millionaire. I don't have time for blogging. Well, I hear you, and I don't want to do blogging as well, but it's so easy. Why not? Look at this. This is a blog post, but actually it's not. Do you see a text being generated somewhere at the bottom of the video? Maybe this side or this side. This is an AI-based voice to text software running in the background, and it's running as I'm speaking. It's transcribing as I'm speaking. It's basically turning my voice into text, and this blog post is exactly that. It is basically a 47 minutes long podcast transcribed into a blog post. By the way, this software you see working in the background transcribing my voice is free. Link is in the description. It will turn any voice or any speech or any voice statement into your text content. How cool is that? Mosh, you are only lecturing. Do you do what you say? Yes, of course. Look at my blog. This is the moshbari.net. You see here? This is a blog post, and this is my original video. And you see this long blog post? It's basically the transcription of my video. Super simple. I know it works, and that's why I do it too. And that's what this company does. The Verge. They make blogs that people love to read, go through and subscribe, and look at this. They make $25 million to $50 million. Oh my God. For a lot of our viewers, I know even $1 million a life is awesome. In any case, my softwares that will help you make your life easy are in the description. You should grab it. Now I assume you are excited about Excel and you know that, okay, I can learn and I can make these Excel videos as well. Of course. Now I want to make money from those videos. Yes, you can from your links, of course, but there is another way. Udemy. Go to Udemy and you'll search with Excel and you'll see 10,000 results. So there are so many people teaching Excel and literally everyone is making money. Here is an example. This course is one of the top rated ones in this niche. And look at this. They have over 1 million students and $17.99. So it's approximately $17.99 million was generated using this course. The shortcut to make Udemy, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok all work together is first do the research. Do your Google research, what people are looking for. Then do your YouTube research, what people are looking for. Then do your Udemy research, what people are buying. And go down below in the course content section, expand all sections, and you'll find all the topics being taught and discussed in the courses. And you'll see all those modules are pretty tiny little videos. So basically, when you make videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels, bundle them up and upload them on Udemy. Udemy will take your bundle of videos and sell them as courses. And if you are like me and you are looking for traffic just like this all the time, Udemy can be a great source of traffic. They have 97 million monthly customers, not visitors, customers. People visit Udemy to look for courses and they buy courses. You want proof? Let's go to their marketing channels and see 64% traffic are already there on Udemy. They are looking around, shopping around courses. And 20% traffic are coming from Google. These are the people who are searching for courses and ending up in Udemy, making money for the creators just like you. So when you make videos using Epic, link is in the description, make them for your TikTok, Shorts, Instagram Reels, and Udemy. Keep all of this in mind. Do your research first. Check Google, check YouTube, check Udemy, what people are looking for. Then start making your content one by one and publish them one by one on daily basis. 1 minute video will take 3 minutes of work using Epic. If you don't know about Excel, if you don't know anything, don't worry about it. Learn from Udemy, learn from YouTube, and start making your own content. If you take these simple steps, who will make money? You will. And we wish you all the best. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I'll show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? Copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here. And you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice. Add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text, and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and a real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the right way, the fast way, and the fun way. But we need your help too. This video was only to help you make money, and we need your help too. Our goal of this channel to reach 100 million people in next 10 years and help them learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we can no way do it without your help. And we need only 2 things from you. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, your family, social media contacts, everyone you know who need to learn how to make money online. Trust me, they will love you the most. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And they will even refer more customers to you. So that is it. Like and share. And by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will let you know when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.